Most fitness coaches I know are sitting on years of experience. You have studied the science, get your license, and you train hundreds of clients. You know exactly what works. So when it comes to making video, the hardest part isn't about sharing your knowledge. It is about knowing what to film and how does that translate into building an online audience. So today I'm going to break down 8 different video formats that works particularly well for fitness, health, and wellness coach, all the way from grabbing your audience attention to landing a client. Number 1, myth busting video. This one is a core format that only you could do. Pick a common myth in your niche and try to bust it on camera. Things like a diet or exercise. Talk about what's trending and provide a counterintuitive insight to stop the scroll. Controversy and hot topic are what people are looking for. Number 2, explainer video. The explainer video is where you teach. Think about the knowledge you learned when you got your license, but this time, make it easy enough for a normal human being to understand what exactly protein is, how to measure it, why progressive load is great for building muscle, and how's your sleep affecting your recovery. Keep it simple and keep it science-backed. Pro tip, make it simple enough a 5-year-old will understand. Try to use more analogy and day-to-day example. No one really want to read a textbook. Number 3, reaction video. Overlay someone else's clip on top and talk about it. Correcting bad form or reacting to a fitness trend. Add your expert take on somewhat other influencer is selling. Those work because an original clip is already doing the heavy lifting on the attention. You're just bringing in your expertise. Super easy to film and very high engagement. They pull in viewer that would never click on your own content. This might be a cheeky one because you're borrowing other people's content. Pro tip for this is to react to a clip that's already went viral and ride that wave. Number 4 is recipe video. This one is particularly great for nutrition coach or fitness coach. Cook something on camera and keep it casual. High protein breakfast, post-workout meal, or tips and tricks to make your meal delicious and healthy. Recipe is one of the most saved format on social media. It works for a lot of coaches and people save it, cook it, and then come back for more. But the pro tip on this one is that you have to make it look good. You cannot have a messy kitchen with sauces and ingredients flying around. You have to make it cinematic. Number 5, workout breakdown. This one is the go-to format for all personal trainer and it never gets old. Demo exercise, correcting the form, and explain how and what muscle it targets. You're teaching people how to move better, which is exactly what everyone in this world needs to pay attention to. Pro tip, try to film from a different angle and pause and add some illustration to describe the detail. Because after all, it is still very hard to learn an exercise from just one video. So the more that you could break it down with visual guidance or describe it so people understand. Number 6 is challenge video. Launch a 7-day or 30 days challenge to bring your audience along for the ride. 30 days of running or 7 days of clean diet. Challenges video works because you're giving people a reason to follow you for weeks, but not just one video. Every day is a new post, a new check-in, sharing how you feel behind the scene. This is a real chance to build a community and a lot of YouTubers have built their success on this method. Pro tip on this one is to pick something big enough to catch attention, but it's also doable enough that you can finish. It will fail miserably if you cannot keep up with your own work. Number 7 is review video. This one is good middle funnel video. It's giving your honest take on a supplement, a product, or a trend. Like creatine, weighted fast, or the new sleep tracker that everyone is talking about. Your audience trusts your expertise and want to know what you actually think before they spend their money. Review build trust really fast because you're putting your reputation behind your opinion. And the pro tip on this is be honest. If you don't like something, just say so. Don't be a coach that recommends everything and recommend things that you would actually use. A ranking video also works really well along with this format. And remember, if you get sponsored and do an unboxing video, tell your audience this is a sponsor post. Number 8 is client story. This is a very strong bottom funnel video, and it could be super simple as well. You could just be sitting down and walking through a client before and after, what they were struggling with, and what program you offer to them. Celebrate the success of your client is the best proof that you're a great coach. Remember, you're not hard selling how good you are, but also celebrate the journey. Pro tip on this one is to show the real transformation, the number, the photo, and the journey. Be real. And that's 8 ready to go video format for fitness and health coaches. You don't have to make them all, and to be frank, you probably won't have time to do so. So just pick one that fits you and you resonate most and start with it. And if you think that you're not tech savvy enough or don't have time to play around with 10 different tools to film one video, this is exactly why we're building a Jupitrr, a all-in-one video tool to allow business owners to create viral video content without the hustle. We have everything you need, all the way from researching viral video to a teleprompter app that you could just record on the go, all the way to AI video editing and publishing to your social media directly. You can literally ship one video per day in the gym. If you want to learn more about this, click the description below or go to Jupitrr.com and book a call with us.